Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope everything's going out good for you guys. Wanted to show you on the video today how to invoice an accessory. And there's two ways to get started. You could either type in the customer's phone number if the customer is registered in the database and click go, or just simply click on quick sell button. So we're gonna go ahead and click on quick sell. And you're gonna go ahead and see all the transactions available to make on the top: activation, upgrade, repair, general item, service, payment, or trading. So what we're gonna do this time is we're gonna scan the SKU off the accessory, of course. And as soon as you do that, the software is gonna automatically pick up the item that you want to invoice, which are some headphones, accessory blue headphones. And this here will be the quantity of the item, the tax, your price, and your total. So if everything's looking good on the preview of the invoice, you want to go ahead and click on checkout on the top right side of the screen, where you guys are simply going to charge the customer $137.50. We're going to type in the amount that we're receiving from the customer and the form of payment. It's going to be cash. Let's go ahead and click complete. Where you have the option of either printing a thermal receipt, printing an 8.5 by 11 receipt, or enrolling that customer on your texting campaigns and sending them the invoice via text message. I strongly encourage all of my users to use the texting campaign, since it's just another way to increase your customer revenue. So once you do send out this invoice, they'll be automatically enrolled in these campaigns, and where you could possibly let them know in the future what discounts or promos they might be eligible for. Well, this is pretty much it, guys. That's the whole process of invoicing an accessory. If you guys do have any questions at all times, go ahead and click here on the online link right below, where you're going to go ahead and type in your question, and where you will be assisted by either myself or one of my colleagues within a minute, guaranteed. You guys make it a great day. Once again, my name is Roy Castillo. Take care, guys. Goodbye.